So today we're going to hike up to the top of Mount Elbert. So let's get to it.
Mount Elbert. With a summit of 14,440 feet, it is the highest peak in all of Colorado and second highest in the lower 48 states, behind California's Mount Whitney. The mountain is named for Samuel Elbert, who served as a territorial governor of Colorado from 1873 to 1874 and as a Colorado Supreme Court justice for 12 years. As part of the Hayden Geological Survey, Henry W. Stuckel made the first documented ascent of Mount Elbert in 1874. Located just south of Leadville, Mount Elbert is one of many 14ers in the region. Just north of Mount Elbert is Mount Massive, and it's just 11 feet shorter. In fact, in the 1970s, there was a movement among some people who thought Mount Massive was more deserving of being Colorado's highest mountain. The group began stacking rocks at the summit of Mount Massive to slowly and artificially raise its height. Occasionally, other hikers who wanted to keep the heights where they were would knock down the oversized rock piles. Eventually, the pro-massive movement gave up.
So like a lot of mountain hiking in Colorado, you really want to start early in the day because there's a chance of the afternoon thunderstorms rolling in and really messing up your day. So today we got started at 8 a.m. We probably could have started a little bit earlier, but the forecast looked really good today, so we thought we could sleep in a little bit and get started now.
The round-trip hike to the top is about 9 miles, with a total elevation gain of 4,700 feet. It's a strenuous hike, and there are several routes. The route I'm taking today is the most popular route along the Northeast Ridge. Despite Elbert being the tallest in Colorado and second tallest in the lower 48 states, the hike is actually relatively easy. By far the biggest obstacle is the elevation.
So we just came out of the trees at the tree line here on Elbert, so it's gonna be very exposed from here on out. So sunscreen is highly recommended. Hat and sunglasses also recommended. So one thing to be aware of is there's a couple false summits. So if you look right there, that's not actually the top. You're gonna crest that and keep going a little bit before you reach the true summit. So don't get your hopes up too much. So we just climbed the last false summit, and you can see the final actual summit right there. So almost there. Let's go do it. So we finally made it to the summit of Mount Elbert, and man, is it pretty.
From the summit, you have some of the most breathtaking views of Mount Massive, the Twin Lakes, and even downtown Leadville.
Well, that is about all we have for Mount Elbert. About to hike down, maybe get a beer. So we'll see you guys on the next one.